Ever since the stock market started tanking and Tesla stocks went from $400 to $113, people, especially non-investors, have been maligning Elon Musk's supposed failure to keep his company afloat. Some credit the tanking of stocks to Musk's Twitter reign. And then Tesla reported record profits and record revenues for 2022. Profit for the year hit $12.6 billion, more than double since 2021 and beating the expectations of many analysts. Musk has been proving skeptics and doubters wrong for years. Interestingly enough, Musk acknowledged there's a short-term uncertainty about the broader economy. He emphasized this will not affect their aggressive pace of expansion, though. This is nothing surprising. Tesla has always faced its downturns head-on. In 2022, Tesla came up short of its annual growth target, lost about $675 billion in market valuation, and saw its share price fall 65%, its largest annual decline to date. Tesla responded in the first week of the new year by slashing vehicle prices, in some cases by nearly 20%, an unusual strategy by traditional auto industry standards. Tesla on Wednesday issued a vague outlook for 2023, saying it planned on 1.8 million vehicles for the year without specifying whether it was a production or delivery target. The company has been aiming to increase vehicle deliveries by an average of 50% annually. If the company were to deliver 1.8 million vehicles in 2023, that would mark roughly 37% growth from 2022 and come in well below Wall Street's expectations. Tesla's price cuts will dent profitability, but margins should remain healthy, according to Chief Financial Officer Zach Kirkhorn. Tesla has a higher operating margin than many of its rivals, giving it more wiggle room to absorb price cuts. If anything, its primary concern for the coming years is its competition. Musk thinks its competitor will be a Chinese company. They work the hardest and they work the smartest. Musk said that they are the most competitive in the world. He's made similar comments before, including during the online forum in September 2021, when he said he had, quote, a great deal of respect for the many Chinese automakers. Make no mistake, even with record-breaking profits, some are still trying to hold Twitter against Musk. In the shareholders' meeting, Musk was asked how he plans to protect Tesla's brand and reputation from any backlash resulting from his political statements and new job as the CEO of Twitter. Musk simply encouraged everyone to go on Twitter because it's a good platform to connect to customers. Musk said, quote, I've got 129 million followers and it continues to grow rapidly. That suggests that I'm reasonably popular. I might not be popular with some people, but for the vast majority of people, like the follower count speaks for itself. I have one of the most interactive accounts, social media accounts, maybe in the world, certainly on Twitter, and that actually predates the acquisition. So Twitter is actually an incredibly powerful tool for driving demand for Tesla. And I really encourage companies out there of all kinds, automotive or otherwise, to make more use of Twitter and to use their Twitter accounts in ways that are interesting and informative, entertaining, and it will help drive sales just as it has with Tesla, he said. So what does Tesla plan for the future? Tesla's new plants in Austin, Texas and Berlin, Germany were producing about 3,000 cars a week at the end of 2022. For Berlin, that is up from about 2,000 cars a week at the end of the third quarter. Tesla didn't have a weekly production number listed for Austin the last time it reported earnings. Tesla also said its next generation vehicle platform is under development. That is a lower price EV, electric vehicle, something investors have been looking for. It will expand Tesla's potential market. What should we learn from this as investors? One is that talk is cheap. Many of those talking about how Musk failed Tesla probably don't even invest in Tesla. Second, the entire market was tanking for months, and yet everyone was just hyper-focused on Tesla when almost the entire market was losing money. Part of each company's loss in market cap is the condition of the whole market. What you should really look at is the company's performance and balance that against your plan and preferences as an investor. If you like investing in automotive, look into which companies show potential to stay strong in the future. Remember that investments and money are agnostic politically, socially, and morally. Invest based on sound investment principles, not on social media talk.